Hello everyone, this is Grandma and today we are making apple brownies. Right now it is apple season, so today we went to the orchard to pick up these apples. So in the bowl I have 4 medium diced apples, and into the medium diced apples I am putting 1 cup of flour, and then I am putting 1 cup of sugar, a half a teaspoon baking soda and baking powder that has been mixed together, a half of teaspoon cinnamon, and I gotta get it all out here. And then we have 1 beaten egg, and then we have a half a cup of melted butter. So you put this in the bowl and we just mix this all together. This recipe called for 3 apples, but we are using 4. And my mixing bowl is a Pyrex that it is one of my favorites. I've had it for a long time and I like it because each end has pour spouts. Well, this is a very simple, easy recipe. Okay, now it looks like I have mixed it well. And now we will put it in a greased and floured baking pan. I spread the batter in the pan. And now I'm going to put a little cinnamon on top, extra cinnamon. And this goes in for 45 minutes at a 350 oven, preheated oven. Oh, this looks very good. This is the apple brownie. It just came out of the oven. It looks really, really good. And we shall see. As soon as it cools a little, we will test some with some whipped cream. Now we're going to cut the apple brownie and see how this tastes. Now Grandpa is going to try the first piece. How does it taste, Grandpa?
Good. Nice and warm. The apples taste good.
It's a week later and I decided to make another apple brownie, and I decided I was going to improve the recipe. So I added a half a cup of sugar and a half a cup of raisins in place of the 1 cup sugar, and it's so much better.